Hi, my name is Tiana, and I am the CEO of Leapers Connect Consultancy. We are a real estate tax strategist firm, and I just want to tell you a little bit about my firm and how we can help you to take your business to the next level, right? Or your real estate portfolio to the next level. So we focus on the tax law and we use the tax law to help you to strategically, um, you know, maneuver the real estate landscape. So whether it is a 1031 exchange, whether it is you want to harvest some loss, for future use, or whether depending on how much you've made, you want to qualify as a real estate professional, that's definitely something that we look into entity structures and which ones are most beneficial for you in terms of lowering your tax liability. That is something that we are experts in. In addition to that, we are able to represent you in front of the IRS in all 50 states. So we are nationwide. So whether it is an IRS audit, a collections case, we are able to take care of that for you to protect your real estate investments. And another thing I want to mention is for my clients that are with me, and my clients have been with me for close to a decade. That's how long we've been in business. And they'll tell you the same thing. She always stresses on ensuring that you have bookkeeping. And let me tell you why. When I take clients on, I always, 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 always. The first thing I do is I look at your last couple of years' tax returns. I look at your financial statements, whether it is profit and loss or just bank statements. And then I can look at those and they'll be great. But if you don't have solid bookkeeping, then I have to you know, create that foundation for you or check the foundation you had from your previous bookkeeping. Here's why bookkeeping is important. In the event of an audit, the IRS wants to see the bookkeeping, right? They want to see your financial statements. If you have to go to a lender, they want to see your financial statements, right? If you are going to take on an investor, they're going to want to see your financial statements. And for myself, when I have my clients, in order for me to come up with a strategic plan that works for best for their business or the type of real estate or investment that they're doing, I have to see your bookkeeping. So I do offer monthly bookkeeping, especially if you have over a couple hundred transactions. It's absolutely important because you want to be able to tell at any given time of the day, of the hour, of the week, where your business is at financially, what cash flow is looking like, what your how much equity you have available, whether your properties are properly expensed, things are properly expensed. But I cannot do any of that without having solid bookkeeping. So that's why I always say bookkeeping is the foundation for everything else to be built on, right? Clear statements. It also gives you a clear headspace when you're going out and you're making financial decisions because you're able to tell, okay, I have this much in my property. If I'm going to do so and so, um, then, maybe I don't have enough. Maybe I have enough. Maybe I didn't phrase that properly, but essentially, you want to know where you're at so you can figure out where you're going. And that's where bookkeeping comes in. We also offer um, tax planning services, and that's banked on the bookkeeping. So, strategic tax planning to lower your taxes and optimize your make sure you have extra funds available for business development, renovating properties, investing in another property. We also do real estate taxes, right? And we implement the tax laws to your benefit. So I would love to connect with you. I'd love to hear more about your investments and how we can take care of your needs. All right. So go ahead and block a time with us and book a call below. All right. Have a great day.